We live on a beautiful, unique planet. The Earth is very special because it is teeming with life. It is the only planet to have seas and oceans of liquid water and an atmosphere containing oxygen. The Earth spins on its axis once every 24 hours. It takes 365 and a quarter days to orbit the Sun, and the orbit, which is an oval shape or ellipsis, give us our seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, so this is a bad question, okay?
So did you understand that, Gracelyn?
Yes, I understood. Okay.
Tell me what you understood.
I understood that the Earth is the only planet that has liquid water and an atmosphere containing oxygen.
Correct.
Good question. Can anybody ever predict the future? It's possible. Maybe it's not possible. I mean, you know, sometimes I will use my intuition and people say, yeah, that's really true. And other times I will look at the hands and it will show potentially an outcome, possibly to reveal the future. So if I said to you, in 5 years' time, you know, there will be a change in your career or something like that. That can also be, but is it not what you've already made of your life? Is it not what you're really, where you're going anyway? You know what I mean? So it's a fine line, that prediction, really, you know. Whether anybody can really predict the future, I don't know. Possible, but maybe not, you know.
The things I touched with my hand.
Well, I guess the simple answer would be I've touched my bed, because the second you wake up, you know, you get up from your bed, you touch your bed sheet, like when you get up. I touched my toiletries.
Toothbrush. Shower gels, shampoo, and face wash. And then I touched my body parts. I touched my food, and man, that's not something you think about, do you? What you touch throughout the day, and it really makes you think twice about doing it. My God, this is probably going to change my life perspective towards touching things. Also, this sounds really wrong when I speak it.
I want to say something. I think to myself that I can't keep this a secret. I don't want Mummy to know, because then she'll get stressed and everything will go horribly wrong. I don't know. So I would think to myself, maybe I should write a letter to Mummy. I will always love you. And then, I would hide the tablet under there, and so pretend that there was like this guy trying to take my tablet. So, and then I would kill myself because I wouldn't do anything else, because there's no point being in life. I would just live in a miserable life because, you know, it's because if I don't know any of my maths, I would just have to die. So I would think to myself, maybe I should kill myself and write a letter to Mummy somewhere, and then hide my tablet under there. So then she would think that I would be dead, basically. Because sometimes I think to myself, am I going to be poor? Am I going to succeed? I don't know.
上次我说的是说我想弹钢琴，我的手指头长，我适合弹钢琴，但是家里是很穷的，买不起钢琴，连电子琴都不给我买，所以说我没办法。哎，但是我学了电脑之后，我感觉同样可以弹电脑，对不对？是吧？你想，农民的孩子怎么能去弹钢琴呢？说来说去还是条件不好。小的时候我就想，哎呀，上小学人家都有电子琴，我说我就想要这个电子琴。我爸妈就是不买，你得打双百，我才能给你买电子琴。但是我是个学习不好的孩子，我怎么能打双百呢？就连一个100，另外也打个98，而且我都没有这种记录过，能过90就不错了，知道吗？所以说我就一直没机会去弹琴，遗憾，但还好，后来学电脑还算小有成绩吧。
That's a very contradictional question. About me being special or not.
I think visually I do have special hands.
Special?
Do you think your hands is special?
No, not particularly. No, I don't paint them. I'm always cooking and washing at the moment. I don't see myself as special.
I feel like I'm special in my heart because I regard myself as a different human being. But then there's another aspect of the question, because I don't know, because the thing is I sometimes, like the other day we went to that place to shoot our documentary with the North Korean guy. And that was like a seaside place with no pollution and anything. There are so many stars in the sky. So many stars in the sky, and they're all shining. And by the time I was just like, I was looking up, I was like, the universe is so fucking big. But we are just like on this tiny little planet, which is nothing. I don't understand why we are here. I don't understand why this earth is here. I don't understand why we deserve this, why we deserve to think, why we deserve to live, and why we deserve to do anything. Like that makes me feel so small. But at the same time though, like it makes me feel so special as well. Like even in this, when I think of this, I feel like even all those people who are, let's say those people who are on drugs every day and wandering in the street and they don't even have a place to sleep, and even those people, they're so special in this scenario. So I don't know. I think all these thoughts are in my mind, and I just have no clue why we deserve to have this. Who are we? I mean, who are we to even be able to think of these questions? Who are you to ask these questions? Who am I to answer these questions?